Hey, guys! You won't believe the incredible discovery I made! I'm so excited to share with you about the ground power generator! Have you ever caught yourself in the dark during a blackout? Do you know what it's like to feel powerless, without energy for the most basic things? I've been there, too, and that's when I found the ground power generator. The ground power generator is a real lifesaver. It is a simple power generator, easy to use and can be mounted anywhere. Now you can have reliable power whenever you need it, without relying on utilities. And best of all, it's an affordable solution. You don't have to spend a fortune on complicated systems. The ground power generator is the answer for those looking for a reliable and economical power source. But it's important to remember that the ground power generator is flying off the shelves. Demand is high and units are limited. If you want to secure yours, you need to act right now. Don't miss the opportunity to have your ground power generator. Clean and reliable energy is at your fingertips. Buy yours today before it's too late. And as a special offer for my followers, I got an exclusive bonus. If you buy the ground power generator now, you will get a complete guide on how to maximize the use of this amazing power source. Don't wait any longer! Click the link below, place your order and secure your ground power generator while there is still stock. Safe and reliable power is just a click away. Thank you for watching! Do not miss this unique opportunity. Access the link in the description and be part of the clean and reliable energy revolution with the ground power generator. Subscribe to the channel for more tips and information. See you next time!